You're already familiar with NISA and iDeCo, and you're now wondering which tax-advantaged accounts you should invest in first. A little bit about my profile? If you're interested, please have a look. Today's topic: 1. Comparison of NISA and iDeCo. 2. Prioritize iDeCo over NISA and why. 3. My priority and why. If you watch to the end, you should be able to decide on your priority and investment strategy in Japan. Okay, our first topic: comparison of NISA and iDeCo. If you're not familiar or need a refresher, do check out my previous videos about NISA and iDeCo here. Now, I'll show you what are the major differences between the two here. The differences are the system. NISA is a tax exemption system, while iDeCo is a private pension. Term of investments: it is lifetime for NISA, while anytime until the age of 60 to 75 for iDeCo. Contributions deductible from taxable income: no for NISA, but the entire amount of contributions are tax deductible for iDeCo. Are they tax-free upon withdrawals? Yes for NISA, but no for iDeCo. Withdrawal periods: for NISA, you can withdraw your funds anytime you want, but for iDeCo, you can only do it when you reach 60. So, why prioritize iDeCo over NISA? The single biggest reason is purely from a tax-saving perspective. By investing in iDeCo, you can reduce both your income and resident taxes, because your entire premium or contribution is tax deductible. Now, being able to reduce your tax is considered as a guaranteed return, unlike investing, which does not due to risks. However, it also depends on your income situation. iDeCo is especially advantageous for high income earners as well as self-employed and freelancers, since they do not receive any employee's pension. Now, what funds to invest in is equally crucial. As you already know, both iDeCo and NISA are tax-advantaged accounts. So in order to reap and maximize the benefits, long-term, diversification, low fees, these should be your investing motto. And you should invest in such funds like the S&P 500 and the World Index Funds. Now, let's move on to our last topic: my priority and my latest portfolio. As for now, I'm only investing new money in NISA, but not iDeCo. What are you saying? You just suggested to prioritize iDeCo over NISA, no? Well, let me explain. iDeCo's biggest downside is your investment funds are locked up until you turn 60. This is a downside for people, especially in their 20s or 30s, as there will be a lot of big life events, such as house down payment, wedding, kids' education, or even relocating to another country. Therefore, the disability to withdraw anytime outweighs the tax reduction benefits. Investing is very personal. It depends on individuals, and there is no one-size-fits-all method. You gotta ask yourself, what are your investment purposes? Preparing for retirement? Do you need those funds to replace your pension funds? Preparing for future is important, but enjoying the present is too. Here's my latest portfolio. I'm investing in long-term, diversification, low fees, mutual funds in Japan, such as the EMAXI Slim S&P 500 in my iDeCo, as well as the EMAXI Slim All Country in my new NISA. I do have an iDeCo account, but I'm not investing any new money in it. The reason I have it is because I had a corporate pension plan with my previous company as an employee, and I had to transfer all the investments to my iDeCo after quitting back then. I just chose the fund, transfer, and only maintain and let it grow now. That's it. If you learned just one thing from this video, hit the like or subscribe button. That will help us a lot in creating more content. Comment for any questions and topics you'd like me to cover, and please share it to your friends living in Japan. The youngest day of your entire life is today. Happy learning, happy investing!